Hi, I'm Brian Palmer, Chief Exec of Tharsis. Tharsis develops and manufactures advanced machines and robots. We generally work with customers who are new to product ownership and take them through the development and then into the manufacturing journey. The early phase of our product development process is focused on establishing the commercial strategy, and a key part of that is understanding the product needs. Many people get very confused by what they want their new product to do versus what it needs to do. And by really being very challenging on establishing the needs, as we go through the technology strategy and the design process, we've got a very, very focused set of deliverables, so we understand what success looks like from the outset. The need for a clear commercial strategy is something that we've learned over time. What we find is if there's ambiguity around a commercial strategy at the start of the development process, the needs will move and we'll end up increasing the time and the cost of the development process, which becomes very frustrating for all involved. Whereas if we've had a very, very clear set of deliverables at the start, there's a real laser-like focus on getting to the end point as quickly and as efficiently as possible. And it really does transform the outcomes on a project. If somebody has an idea, I think the first thing for them to do is to challenge that idea. We talk about challenge and be challenged as a core behaviour of our business. So if you're looking to own a piece of technology that needs to give you a clear competitive advantage or open up a new market, if it can create a unique differentiator for your business, that's of value. So yeah, the team at Tharsis has a huge amount of experience, both gained within the business but also in operating in a lot of blue chip organisations. So we can shine multiple different lenses on any particular problem, working out the right solution for a product, whether it be in the development phase or the manufacturing phase. So I think there's a really valuable resource to be pulled upon by our customers there. If you have an idea, get in touch and we can try and work out together if it's something that we believe we can assist you in and if there's the market opportunity that works for both businesses.